We are going to promise that it's going to be a very, very special moment in DRA's journey. And innaiku, we all have not gathered just as colleagues, but as one DRA family to witness an amazing announcement that reinforces company's commitment towards empowering each and every individual who's been part of with success stories. ஸோ நான் ரொம்ப அதிசயமாக ஃபீல் பண்ணது என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டிஆர்ஏ பற்றி தட் எவ்ரி எம்ப்ளாயி ஃபீல்ஸ் இன்க்ளூடட் யூனோ அண்ட் எவ்ரி எம்ப்ளாயி ஃபீல்ஸ் தட் நானும் ஓனர் தான்ப்பா இந்த கம்பெனிக்கு அப்படின்றது எவ்வளோ பெரிய விஷயம். அண்ட் இப்போ இருக்கிற காலகட்டத்தில் எப்படா வேலை போகும் அப்படின்னா எங்கே பார்த்தாலும் ஃபயரிங் அப்படி கேள்விப்படும் போது யூ ஆர் ஆல்சோ பார்ட் ஆஃப் த கம்பெனி அப்படின்றது இட்ஸ் ரியலி அ கிரேட் திங். ஸோ டுடே வி செலிப்ரேட் க்ரோத், இன்க்ளூஷன் அண்ட் த ஸ்பிரிட் ஆஃப் டுகெதர்னஸ். அண்ட் இன்னைக்கு இந்த மைல் ஸ்டோன் அப்படின்னு பேசும்போது நிறைய விஷயங்கள் புதுசாக ஆட் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்காங்க டிஆர்ஏ. அண்ட் மெயினாக அவங்க எம்ப்ளாயீஸுக்கு ஒரு வாட்டியும் அந்த ப்ராமிஸை கொடுத்துட்டே இருக்காங்க தட் யூ ஆர் ஆல்வேஸ் அ பார்ட் ஆஃப் அவர் ஃபேமிலி. நீங்கள் என்னோட கீழே கிடையாது, வி ஆல் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் அண்ட் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் வி ஷேர் இட் ஈக்குவல் அப்படின்னு அந்த ஒரு விஷயம் ட்ரூலி இன்ஸ்பைரிங். பர்சனலி சார், ஐ ஹவ் ஃபெல்ட் at home here. ஏன்னா why I have not joined DRA yet அப்படின்னு தான் தோணுது. So big round of applause to the whole team for making this whole company. It's not just a company, I think it's a beautiful family together. So இதை பற்றி மேலும் பேசுறதுக்கு we invite Mr. Ranjit Rathod, Managing Director of DRA Homes, to address the gathering and share his thoughts. So ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Ranjit Rathod.
I've refrained from calling them employees from day one. They are all my team members, family members, who have been instrumental in the growth of this company. I remember 12 years back when we started DRA, it was a 2-member organization, and one member of this organization is still with us, and that is Rajshekhar, who is heading our HR and admin. That has been the spirit of DRA, where the employees became family members, became team members. They felt inclusive as a part of this organization, aided in the growth of this organization, and always felt that the management growth is our growth and our growth is management's growth. So this kind of attitude and culture, we are something proud of, and I believe that it will take us to our next journey, which will be far enriching than what it has been so far. So I would like to declare few things to our employees, rather family members. We have already announced this, but maybe to the larger audience, we have rolled out 3 initiatives which makes every employee inclusive of the entire organization as a family. For the first time, I would say, in the country, for a non-tech company, which is real estate, a brick and mortar company, we are rolling out 5% ESOP to all the family members. The grant of this 5% has already started. The first grant was made last year in the month of June, and the remaining grant will be done in the next 2 years. The best part about this grant or this ESOP is every member is eligible for it as long as he has completed 1 year of service in DRA. Irrespective of the core management, lower middle management or middle management, or even the lowest job in DRA, which could including my driver, he or she is eligible for this ESOP. The grant has been made, and we have estimated, based on certain valuation metrics, based on certain kind of merchant bankers valuation, that this grant should have a minimum value of rupees 125 crores. It is going to be granted and vested over a period of 3 years, and I'm sure as new members join in, as they complete 1 year, they also will become eligible for this grant, and eventually by 2027 and 2028 the entire grant will be vested to all the family members, and I really hope to see that every member, that is, we have almost 315 members in DRA, every member will be a shareholder in DRA cap table. So I'm kind of proud that this is the first such initiative in the country for a brick and mortar business, and this has happened within 12 years of the journey which started in 2013. The second initiative, which we have been following for last 5 years except for COVID year, it's a moment of pride and aspiration that each one of you enjoy bonding with each other, enjoy an experience away from the office which gives you hope, which gives you inspiration and aspiration in your life. As a part of this rollout to our employees, we had initiated a foreign trip for any employee who has completed 1 year. And so far, 4 such countries have been visited by our team, and every year the team size going to such destination kept on increasing. And as we speak, our entire team is going to Vietnam tomorrow, a 110 member team visiting Vietnam. Again, we have kept it as inclusive as possible. I'm happy to see that many people, especially who had aspirations, have gone and got a fresh new passport to make it for this trip. So that shows that there is a bit of pride and attachment and bonding which you would like to do with every member of DRA, and create an aspiration in your life, learn from international experiences also, and implement so that DRA becomes a better and better organization. The third rollout, which again I'm sure all of you would have probably experienced, that out of our entire sales, 0.9% of our sales is allocated to every employee in this organization as incentive. And this is rolled out quarter on quarter. If you have done quarterly sales, assuming if you have done a July to September sale, this incentive is rolled out in the following quarter itself, which is from October to December. We roll out and distribute the entire incentive. We distribute in batches. First batch we try to give to people who are on the lower salary bracket, and then gradually we move upwards so that everybody in the organization gets the incentive on time. And with that incentive, obviously you can feel a kind of a recognition which company has seen or felt from your contribution to the company. That incentive gives you cash in hand. We believe that instead of giving certain things which probably you may or may not like giving a bike or a car, which probably could be a burden instead of a reward, we believe that giving cash empowers each one of you to buy whatever you feel like. And whatever your need may be, you can fulfill with that cash given to you right in your bank account. And I would say that last quarter we have done almost 250 crore sales. Almost 2 crore rupees of incentive will be rolled out in this quarter, which all of you will experience in your bank account week after week. So, are we proud doing all this? Answer is obviously yes. We believe in the sentiment or the feeling of pride, not only externally but internally with each one of our team members. The moment you walk into this office, there has to be an element of pride, and the pride can come only when you feel it. What we can do as an organization is roll out certain offers and schemes, but eventually when you step into this office, if you feel that there has been a moment of pride working for DRA, I think we have achieved our objective sitting on the topmost floor. Not only yourself, but your family also should feel the pride when they say that my son or my daughter is working for DRA. We believe that this journey will continue to roll out even larger, even bigger as the years go by, and we hope that someday when the ESOP becomes a reality in terms of tangible asset, when our company is listed, you would have created wealth for yourself and your family. that could be for your retirement, that could be for your children's education, that could be for yourself, for any purpose. Our objective is to make sure that each one of you feel wealthy whenever the company is listed, and you have enough wealth to think about future things about your life. With such words, once again, I thank every member of this DRA family for their contribution. I thank the members of the press for having visited us and encouraged us with your coverage. Thank you so much once again.
Now we have come to a very, very important moment. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the unveiling of the Pride Wall of Equality. So this wall is more than just a symbol. It's a tribute to equality, respect, and the shared strength that defines our workplace. It's the culture which we all are sharing. So I think we need a huge round of applause. நீங்க எல்லாருமே ஓனர் அப்படின்னு நீங்க வந்து இன்னும் பெருமையாவே வந்து அங்க நிக்கலாம். சோ அங்க நிக்கும் போது there should be a big smile. Next, can we have Mr. Justin? என்ன எல்லாம் பசிக்குதா? Next, can we have Mr. Saravanan from Next, can we have Mr. Avinash from Business Development?
Moment of pride DRA ஜேர்னியில் இன்னைக்கு வந்து நாங்கள் எம்ப்ளாயீஸை வந்து கம்பெனி ஓனராக ஆக்கியிருக்கோம். 5% ஆஃப் த கம்பெனி வந்து எம்ப்ளாயீஸ்க்கு ஆஸ் அ ESOP ரோல் அவுட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். எல்லாமே இதில் வந்து நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த 5% நாட் ஓன்லி ஃபார் த டாப் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட், it is all the way up to the last person in the organization, whether he can be even my driver. ஸோ எல்லாருக்கும் வந்து கம்பெனியோட ஓனர்ஷிப் ஷேர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். ஐ திங்க் திஸ் இஸ் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் இன் இந்தியா ஒரு பிரிக் அண்ட் மோட்டர் ரியல் எஸ்டேட் கம்பெனி இந்த மாதிரி எம்ப்ளாயீஸை பார்ட் ஆஃப் ஃபேமிலி, பார்ட் ஆஃப் டீம், பார்ட் ஆஃப் ஓனர்ஷிப் எடுத்து வந்திருக்காங்க. அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் தட் இன்னைக்கு எங்கள் டீம் வந்து 110 பேர் ஃபார் அ ஹாலிடே வியட்நாம் போகிறாங்க. ஆல் ஸ்பான்சர்ட் பை த கம்பெனி, இன்க்ளூடிங் ட்ராவல், ஸ்டே, அகாமடேஷன், ஃபுட். இது நாங்கள் வருஷம் பண்ணுறது. இதில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் லெவல் ஆஃப் ஹாப்பினஸ், ப்ரைட், பாண்டிங் இருக்குது எம்ப்ளாயீஸ் கூட. அண்ட் அகெயின் இதுலேயும் நாங்கள் வந்து ஏதோ ஒரு மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்டை ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் பண்ணல, டாப் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் ஆர் மிட் லெவல் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட். இதில் லாஸ்ட் இங்கே ஆஃபீஸ் பாயும் கூட போகிறாங்க. ஸோ தட் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் பாண்டிங் அண்ட் இன்க்ளூசிவிட்டி வந்து கல்ச்சரை நாங்கள் க்ரியேட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் DRAல. லாஸ்ட்லி we have an incentive structure where we roll out quarter on quarter incentive to every employee of this company, and that also goes right up to the last person in this company, last employee varaikum in the incentive போகுது, which is directly hitting their bank account, so that eventually they can spend more money on their family. And by way of ESOP வந்து ஒரு 2-3 yearsல they will really see wealth building அவங்களுக்கும் அவங்க ஃபேமிலிக்கும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ வெரி ப்ரவுட் மூமெண்ட். இது எனக்கு ரொம்ப கர்வமாக இருக்குது இந்த இன்சென்டிவ் ரோல் அவுட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, இந்த ESOP ரோல் அவுட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. அண்ட் ஐ ரியலி ஹோப் DRA becomes a role model, an example for many other companies to follow, and employees become family members and owners of the company. Thank you.